In this video, we'll talk about 10 things you have to do in LA. LA is a sunny, sprawling metropolis of nearly 19 million people. With a metro population greater than 40 US states, it's a world-famous economic and cultural powerhouse. Here's a list of 10 things to do in beautiful, sun-soaked LA. Number 1. A Hollywood studio tour. Los Angeles might be most famous as the epicenter of global movie production. Did you know you can tour the movie studios behind your favorite films? Warner Brothers, Paramount, Sony, Universal, and Disney each offer a behind-the-scenes look at where movie magic is made. You can visit the prop warehouses, riding halls, and stages that created countless classics. If you've ever been curious to look behind the curtain into how the movie industry works, a tour of one or more of the movie studios is well worth the price of admission. And if you're lucky, you might see a celebrity or two on the lot. Number 2. Santa Monica Beach and Pier. After Hollywood, Los Angeles might be best known for its beautiful sandy beaches. If Santa Monica Beach and the iconic Santa Monica Pier look familiar, it might be because they're one of the most filmed locations in LA and have been featured in hundreds of movies over the years. Check out the famous Ferris wheel and vintage roller coaster, grab a bite to eat at one of the stalls or restaurants, or even drop a line to see if the fish are biting. Santa Monica Beach and Pier are a must-see in Los Angeles. Not only is it a fun spot during the day, but after sunset, the lights really come to life. 3. Venice Beach and Boardwalk. Adjacent to Santa Monica is Venice Beach and the eclectic Venice Boardwalk. Venice is the perfect place to people watch with the bustling mix of shops and activities, including a famous skate park, pickleball courts, basketball hoops, musclebeach weightlifting area, and gymnastics bars. The street artist-filled boardwalk is lined with souvenir shops, so it's a great place to pick up clothes or a trinket to commemorate your visit. Also be sure to stop by the Venice Canals for a lovely peaceful walk that contrasts the chaos of the boardwalk. 4. Griffith Park Observatory. Speaking of lovely views, arguably the best view of LA comes from Griffith Park Observatory. Sitting atop Mount Hollywood, Griffith Park offers panoramic views of sprawling Los Angeles, the Pacific Ocean, and the distant mountains. Go inside the observatory to learn more about the planets and stars, or walk around the outside to take in the lovely sights. 5. The Hollywood sign via Runyon Canyon and Bronson Canyon. Maybe the most iconic landmark in LA is the Hollywood sign. While you can see the sign from Griffith Park, some argue it's better viewed from the hiking trails of Runyon Canyon. You can hike even closer through Bronson Canyon. Plus, you might run into a celebrity along the trails if you get lucky. Originally reading Hollywoodland, the structure was meant to be a temporary real estate marketing ploy, but it became a cultural icon and earned a permanent home atop Mount Lee in the Hollywood Hills. 6. Rodeo Drive, Beverly Hills. Rodeo Drive might be the most fashionable place to be in LA. It's certainly one of the most expensive. Located in Beverly Hills, this ultra-luxury shopping district is home to stores like Prada, Dolce Gabbana, Louis Vuitton, Hermes, Cartier, Dior, Ferrari, and many more. It's not uncommon to see a Rolls Royce or Lamborghini parked along the street, but don't worry, even if you can't afford to buy anything, window shoppers are welcome in most stores. 7. Santa Monica's 3rd Street Promenade. Santa Monica's 3rd Street Promenade is a lively pedestrian mall featuring several blocks of cute shops and restaurants. The street was converted into a pedestrian mall in the 1960s to promote economic development and is commonly lined with musicians, artists, and a wide array of street performers. 8. Highway 1, up to Malibu or down to Laguna Beach. Nested between the ocean and the mountains, Highway 1 is considered one of the most scenic drives in the country. Take it south to Orange County for a trip to Laguna, Newport, or Huntington Beach, or take it north for day trips to gorgeous Malibu or Santa Barbara. 9. The Hollywood Walk of Fame. See your favorite stars on the street, well, on the pavement. The Hollywood Walk of Fame is where celebrities hope to end up and a popular stop for tourists. While you're here, make sure you venture to Madame Tussauds to see lifelike celebrity wax sculptures. Also along the Walk of Fame is the historic Chinese Theater, where countless Hollywood hits made their debut, including the original Star Wars, King Kong, and other classics. This is also the site of nearly 200 handprints and autographs from history's biggest stars. 10. Los Angeles Sports. LA is a great sports city with many professional sports teams to root for. For the NBA, you have the Lakers and the Clippers. For the MLB, you have the Dodgers and the Angels. In the NFL, you have the Rams and the Chargers. In the NHL, you have the Kings, and in Major League Soccer, you have Galaxy and LA Football Club. Well, that's our video. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. We're a new channel and it really helps. And leave us a comment if you have other ideas for videos that we should make.